Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. I am doing absolutely great. So today in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you this look, and this gonna be super beginner friendly. I have used just one base product and used my fingers to blend everything in. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. So the first and the only base product that I'm gonna be using is the Wet n Wild concealer, and it's in the shade medium tawny, and applying the concealer on my dark areas. So here you want to use a concealer which is closer to your skin tone. The concealer I used was a highlighting concealer, so I'm using a dark concealer to tone out a bit. So now I'm using my fingers to blend the thing in. Once you are happy with the coverage of your concealer, and you can always build up the coverage of your concealer by putting a little more. Build up the product, don't apply too much on your skin. Once everything is really blended, I'm going to be using a talcum powder. So this is the Spins one. Now take a fresh finger, and wherever you have applied the concealer, just set it with this thing. Taking a finger and just make sure that everything is blended, and now apply a loose powder. So now you could see that my face is totally mattified and my concealer is totally set with that talcum powder. And talking about myself, I was not at all expecting that this cheap thing would work like a magic. I don't know how, but it worked so pretty well. And this one gives a bit white cast on your face, but it will get toned out in a bit, so don't get worried. Now I'm gonna be taking a lipstick. So I'm taking this mauvey pinky shade, and this is the NYB Runway lipstick in the shade number Stage Wear 20. Now I have took the lipstick and now I'm gonna apply on my eyes. I would highly suggest that you use a bullet lipstick or a creme lipstick, because it would blend really well. But if you will use a really matte lipstick, it might create a problem for you. Now I'm going to be taking a cotton bud and just blend the edges with a very light hand. Now if you don't have a cotton bud, don't be worried. What you can do is take your fresh finger and with a very light hand start rubbing the upper edges. It will give you that blended look. Now once I'm done, as this is a creamy eyeshadow, so it might crease for you, so just take a little bit talcum powder and again take your fresh finger and then just dab some of it on the eyeshadow so that it doesn't get creased, plus it gives you very mattified look. Once you are done, take any shimmery shade, and today I'm gonna be using the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and it's in the shade number 04. And I'm gonna be taking this golden shade like this, and I'm gonna be taking this and apply at the center of the lid. Now I'm gonna take again that same shade and just apply on the center of the lid so that it pops. Now you have two choices, either you can use a liner or a kajal. Now I personally think that kajal and liner are one of those products that every girl have. So if you have a liner, you can use that. If you have a kajal, you can just apply it and smoke out with the birds. I'm gonna be using a liner. So today I have this Stay Quirky liner. Now I'm going for a very simple basic liner. It's totally your choice what you have to do with your liner. So now I'm just creating a wing. So once you are done with the liner, I'm going to be taking a kajal. So this is the Forever 52 kajal, and line my lower lash line. That's it. And yes, now if you want a smoke out look on your lower lash line, what you have to do, very simple step, is take your cotton bud and with very light hands smoke out your kajal. Don't poke yourself. Now I'm gonna be taking that same lipstick. Now once everything is done, what you have to do is take again a very shimmery shade which is close to your skin tone. Like you can take this golden one, or you can take this white one also. Now take a shade and apply on your tip of the nose, bridge, chin, cupid bow, and as it is an eyeshadow, so make sure that everything is blended really well. You can see that sheen, it's very beautiful. Now I'm gonna be using a lipstick. You can use literally any lipstick. You can use a dark lipstick, you can use a nude lipstick, and you can use the same lipstick, but I'm gonna be using a nude brown. So for this I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick, and it's in the shade Give Me Mocha. I really want to say some things that you can absolutely use any shimmery shades available with you. I have used this golden right here for my eyeshadows. Like you could see how overpowering this gold is. And for my highlighting, I have used this shade. So this is a bit champagne shade which will go for the highlighter. And so now if you will use this overpowering gold for your highlighter, it will look very much stark and it will look really odd. But if you will use a champagne shade, or just like these kind of shade which is like a skin tone, they will look as a highlighter and not as an eyeshadow. Second thing I want to tell you that if you want to make this look a bit stand out, use a dark lipstick like I did. And if you want to neutralize this look, you can use nude lipstick. It could be a pink nude, any nude. So that's the only thing I wanted to tell you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and share to this video to your friends and family. See you soon. Bye.